Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to charge your Lamborghini Huracan battery. First, you'll need to access the battery, which is conveniently located in the... Once your Huracan is ready, connect the charger. Start by attaching the positive or red clamp to the positive battery terminal. Next, connect the negative or black clamp to a good ground point on the car's chassis, away from the battery itself. Finally, plug your trickle charger into a standard wall outlet. Many modern chargers have indicator lights to confirm a proper connection and show the charging status. Always double-check your connections before powering on the charger. Hey everyone, if you're finding this guide helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more tips. And on another note, while you're keeping your Huracan's battery charged, why not keep its interior smelling amazing? Life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a Little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener. It's a simple way to elevate your driving experience. You can find the link for this and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After connecting, allow your Huracan's battery to charge completely. This process can take several hours or even overnight, depending on the battery's current state and the charger's output. Keep an eye on your charger's indicator lights. They will typically show when the battery is fully charged or in maintenance mode. Once charging is complete, disconnect the charger by first unplugging it from the wall, then removing the negative clamp, and finally the positive clamp. Your Huracan is now ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.